There are many ways to add data to your data warehouse, and one of them is to send data by email directly to your account. Let's see how to set this up. First, prevent spam and ensure security. You need to allow the user or email address to send data via email attachments. To do this, go to the user's personal settings, access the data by email tab, and activate the option. Copy the token, it is unique for each user. Now let's format your email. Simply start a new email and attach the data file. Required parameters are the recipient's address, the token retrieved in the first step, the table name in the data warehouse. The data sent can create a new table or be added to an existing table. In this case, you need to define the processing method as well. There are more parameters you can apply to format your data. Check our documentation to learn more about each option. And now your email is ready to be sent. Hit send, and that's it already. Your data is now added to your data warehouse, and you can start using it in data flows, dashboards, reports, and more. To get a confirmation once the data is received by ClicData, you can switch on this notification type in your personal setting.